Hey there and welcome back to our channel where success stories are born. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of unicorn startups, those rare and elusive companies that have transformed from garage dreams into billion-dollar realities. But what sets them apart? What is the secret sauce that has propelled these startups to extraordinary heights? Is it sheer luck or a well-executed strategy? Join us as we uncover the truth behind their remarkable journeys. We'll explore the common traits, the strategic moves, and the inspiring stories that have made unicorns so successful. Get ready to be amazed by the power of innovation, determination, and a bit of magic. Alright, let's get started. Did you know that according to recent data, there are currently 371 unicorns worldwide with a combined valuation of an astonishing $1.2 trillion? Now that's a staggering amount. And even more impressive, the number of unicorns is growing at a rate of 45% per year. It seems like every day there's a new unicorn company making headlines. So how did they do it? What's the secret behind their meteoric rise? Is it just good timing or is there something more to it? Well, before we reveal the secrets, let's take a moment to appreciate the rarity of these companies. Being a unicorn isn't easy. In fact, only about 0.001% of all US startups reach unicorn status. And the path to becoming a unicorn is filled with challenges. Despite the odds, these companies have managed to overcome obstacles and achieve extraordinary success. Their founders are visionaries who dared to dream big and take risks. They saw opportunities where others didn't and had the courage to pursue them. These individuals didn't settle for the status quo. They challenged conventional thinking and pushed the boundaries of what was possible. With their innovative ideas and relentless determination, they've created companies that are now worth billions of dollars. The road to becoming a unicorn is rarely smooth. These companies face numerous challenges along the way. Funding can be scarce and investors hesitant to take risks. Competition is fierce and market uncertainties loom around every corner. But through it all, unicorn founders remain focused. They adapt to changing circumstances, learn from setbacks, and persevere in the face of adversity. They understand that success doesn't come easy and are willing to put in the hard work and make the necessary sacrifices to achieve their goals. But what exactly makes a company a unicorn? Well, the term unicorn refers to any privately held startup company valued at over $1 billion. It's a designation that carries with it a certain mystique and allure, signifying a level of success and innovation that many companies aspire to achieve. But being a unicorn is more than just a title. It represents a confluence of factors that have come together to create something truly special, a unique product or service that solves a real-world problem. A dedicated team of innovators, a supportive ecosystem of investors and customers who believe in the company's vision, and a bit of good fortune. All of these elements play a part in creating the perfect conditions for a unicorn to emerge. So what are some examples of these billion-dollar unicorns? Let us take a look at a few remarkable stories that will inspire you on your own entrepreneurial journey. First up, we have Stripe, a payment processing platform that has revolutionized the way businesses accept payments online. Founded by brothers John and Patrick Collison in 2010, Stripe quickly gained traction with its simple and efficient payment solutions. Today, Stripe is a powerhouse in the industry, processing billions of dollars in payments every year and boasts a valuation of over $95 billion. Next, we have Zoom, the video conferencing platform that became a household name during the pandemic. Founded by Eric Yuan in 2011, Zoom offered a seamless and reliable video conferencing experience that connected people worldwide. With its user-friendly interface and robust features, Zoom has maintained its popularity and now boasts a valuation of over $48 billion. Then there's Uber, the ride-sharing giant that has transformed the way we get around cities. Founded by Travis Kalanick and Garrett Camp in 2009, Uber disrupted the traditional taxi industry with its convenient and affordable ride-hailing app. Despite facing numerous challenges and controversies, Uber has grown exponentially and now operates in hundreds of cities globally with a valuation of over $50 billion. Now let's talk about Airbnb, the hospitality service that has connected millions of travelers with unique accommodations. Founded by Brian Chesky, Joe Gebbia, and Nathan Blecharczyk in 2008. Airbnb has redefined the travel experience by offering a platform where hosts can list their homes or apartments for rent. With its focus on community and unique experiences, Airbnb has grown to become a global leader in the hospitality industry with a valuation of over $76 billion. Next, we have SpaceX, the aerospace manufacturer and space transportation services company. Founded by Elon Musk in 2002 with the goal of reducing transportation costs to enable the colonization of Mars through innovative rocket technology and a commitment to sustainability. SpaceX has revolutionized the space industry and is now valued at over $74 billion. Last but not least, we have Pinterest, the visual discovery engine that helps users discover and save ideas. Founded by Ben Silbermann, Paul Sciarra, and Evan Sharp in 2010, Pinterest has become a go-to destination for inspiration and product discovery with over 400 million monthly active users. Its unique approach to social media has earned Pinterest a valuation of over $14 billion. As we've explored the stories of these remarkable companies, I'm sure you've noticed some common traits that have contributed to their success. So let's dive deeper into the key factors that set unicorns apart. First, we have a clear and compelling vision. Unicorn companies don't just stumble upon success, they have a clear vision of the problems they want to solve and the value they want to bring to their customers. This focused approach allows them to stand out in crowded markets and capture the attention of both customers and investors. Next, we have a customer-centric approach. Unicorns prioritize customer satisfaction above all else. They listen to their customers, understand their needs, and strive to exceed their expectations. By building strong relationships with their customers, unicorns foster loyalty and create a community around their brand. This customer-centric approach becomes a significant driver of their success. Another important factor is the ability to innovate and adapt quickly. Unicorns are often at the forefront of their industries, pushing the boundaries of what's possible and challenging the status quo. They embrace change and are quick to adapt to new technologies and customer preferences, giving them a competitive edge. Next, we have a strong and experienced leadership team. Behind every successful unicorn is a visionary leadership team that inspires and guides the company toward its goals. These leaders are passionate, dedicated, and possess the expertise and resilience to navigate the challenges of building a billion-dollar company. Next, we have a culture of excellence. Unicorns foster a culture of excellence that permeates throughout their organization. They attract top talent, encourage creativity, and celebrate success, creating an environment where employees thrive and contribute their best work. This positive and empowering work environment is a key ingredient to their success. Finally, unicorns have the ability to scale. They understand the importance of growth and have the infrastructure and resources to expand their operations quickly. Whether it's expanding to new markets, developing new products, or increasing production, unicorns are prepared to scale and meet the demands of a growing customer base. This scalability is crucial for any company that aims to reach unicorn status. By understanding and embracing these key factors, aspiring entrepreneurs can increase their chances of creating the next billion-dollar unicorn. Remember that building a unicorn is no easy feat. It requires dedication, perseverance, and a willingness to take risks. But with the right mindset and approach, anything is possible. Alright folks, we've uncovered the secrets of unicorn startups and explored some of the most remarkable companies that have achieved billion-dollar success. From their inspiring stories to the key factors that contribute to their extraordinary growth, we've covered it all. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, and share it with your fellow unicorn enthusiasts. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep dreaming big, stay curious, and never stop believing in the power of your ideas.